All right, everybody. These just landed. We just took them out of the box. I've never seen them before. We've never had them here in the shop. We got them live on the website. We got Pete here.
Hello.
And we're going to just do a basic unboxing because I've never seen these before. So Pete is the tying guru. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. A tool fiend. He's a fan of the brand already. Done some videos prior.
That's a really nice way of saying Pete's a material and tool junkie, and you're not wrong.
All right, so before you open it, we will open it here in a second. What do you think? We got 3 sizes, 3 colors. Hold them up so we can see them.
I'm a fan of anything that's a little classy, and these are very classy. First thoughts. I like things that are coordinated easily. So if you do have multiples and they all have a different function, that it'd be easy to tell which one is which. I don't know if it gets any easier than color coded for the size differences. Pretty easy, just look and go, oh, I want the red one today. Boom, there it is. Green, boom, blue, done. That's how difficult it is.
So what is the red? I know we just got these. We haven't really played with them. Yeah. What is the color skew, or what is the difference between them here?
Sure, it's just different lengths here of the 3 bodkins or needles. And so small, medium, large, and again, just different lengths. So each color is going to coordinate to a different length.
So like for midge tying, streamer, that kind of idea?
Yeah, I think that's a big part of it. So when you're tying on those monster streamers, you're going to want that longer one to get into some of those tougher to reach places. I would consider the size of your head cement too. Like, you know, a lot of times you get a brush in there. I'm not a fan of a brush in a head cement system. This is what you should be using, in my opinion, to apply that cement. Put it exactly where you want it. Less refuse and all this gunk falling off when you put, you know, that brush goes back in. It's taking a lot of hard material, and you're getting half a life out of that head cement. Whereas something like this, easy to clean, put back in, fresh drop. You're not leaving any of that residue back in the bottle.
I like that. First of all, I want to apologize to all our viewers. I forgot to hook up the microphone, so hopefully you guys can hear us loud and clear. I think you will be.
Turn up the volume.
Let's unbox one of these. Okay, so you come into the shop. I mean, I know you're probably going to get all 3.
Absolutely.
But grab one, pick one. Okay. Why would you pick it? And then let's unbox this thing.
I mean, yeah.
Middle of the road? Or what'd you pick? I don't know the color coordination.
I did go middle of the road. Very good. So red, because it just kind of looks sharp in that packaging. I think all 3 colors are really sharp, but I think this one just would look the nicest next to my Stoneful Vice. I don't know. It's just something about it.
All right, let's open that sucker up.
Let's see what this thing feels like.
I mean, if you know the brand, you know these aren't cheap.
Yep,
so
not cheap.
We expect quality.
SMHAEN, I have yet to see a poor quality product from SMHAEN. Everything they make is just amazing.
Good weight? How's the weight?
The weight is really nice. This feels very balanced. Like, I like a heavy bodkin myself. I don't like something that's light. This has some weight to it, has some heft.
It looks like you could stab.
Oh. Here, let me see your hand, Josh.
Nah, pass. But let me get a little closer to that. So, see if, there we go. That's in good focus. Can you rotate it a little bit? So it's ridged, it looks like.
It does have a flat side here on top, which is great. At least for me, that's where my thumb is going to go automatically every time. I'll sit and rotate that until, boom, it's going to find that spot very quickly. I don't think this is going back in the box.
Even that, I love it. Even that medium size looks like are they all, can you see if they're all pretty fine tips like that?
Yeah, let's check that part. That's a good question.
It looks
so pretty. This is amazing. I can tell you from years and years of experience, these are great. Don't drop it.
Oh yeah, I didn't even think about that. Yeah, let's open one more. I know we said we were gonna open one.
Well, yeah, but you also said you know me, and I'd probably get all 3. So I thought this was like intro to SMHAEN bodkins for Pete. Yeah,
it looks pretty similar.
Deal. Same. It feels like the same balance. Everything is great on this.
And that's the bigger one.
Yeah. So this is the biggest. This is the large.
Sweet. All right.
Pretty snazzy.
So this is the first time seeing this product. First time taking it out of the box for us. We just got it on the website here at Spawn Fly Fish. Is this a buy?
I would say 100% this is a buy.
Yeah, I like it. And I mean, you're already a fan of these products, so that makes it pretty easy.
SMHAEN, love it.
All right, you guys, if you liked this sort of question and answer format, definitely let us know in the comments section below. And you know the drill.
Hit like, smash the subscribe, and we will see you all next time.